Thank you for calling Enterprise Truck Rental. For quality assurance, your call may be monitored or recorded. For information about our privacy policy, please visit privacy.ehi.com. To help us serve you better, please listen to this entire message. For hours and location information, press 1. To check rates, availability, or to book a reservation, press 2. To confirm, modify, or cancel an existing...
Something right now. You got to call back. Give me a second.
All representatives are currently assisting other customers. Please hold for the next available representative.
Enterprise.
Thanks for calling Enterprise Truck. This is Patrick.
Hi, Patrick. I was wondering if I could speak with someone in regarding to getting some information about rates.
Yeah, what kind of truck were you looking for?
26-foot box truck with lift gate.
Yeah. How long would you need one for?
It's for long term, maybe. I'm hoping I can be out of it maybe 6 to 12 months. Then I'm just gonna buy one.
Okay. Yeah. Are you a newer business?
Yes, sir.
All right, I got you. Let me take a look. See. So right now, for business rates, it'd be $2,500 a month, and then 18 cents per mile.
Just about what, $650 a week?
$625.
$625 a week. And you said 18 cents a mile?
Correct.
All right. And that's billed weekly?
Yeah, we could bill it weekly or monthly.
Okay. Is that the best you can do for the mileage? Is there a cap in there?
How many trucks would you have? Just one?
Just me. I'm an owner operator.
Yeah, that would be the best I would be able to do on mileage.
And is there a cap on the mileage?
Typically, we like to keep it around 5,000 a month.
Oh yeah. Well, I'm gonna be running in a radius. So I'm looking more somewhere between 5,000 and 6,000 a month.
Yeah, that would be fine. It's not a hard close. It's just yeah, it would just be it's not a hard close. It's just that's what we like to keep it around.
Okay, and then the maintenance is baked into the cost of the rental, right?
Correct.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. And you're over in Stickney, or is that Sycamore? Where is it? Sycamore? Stickney?
No, in Summit.
Oh, you're in Summit. Okay.
Yeah.
So how would I go about setting up an account? Can I just come over there and just do the paperwork?
Yeah, there'd have to be, so there's deposits involved and stuff like that. We'd have to get your insurance approved, and things like that.
What's the deposit?
How
what are we looking at for?
It's $2,500.
So $2,500 for a deposit. All right.
Yeah.
Now, let me ask you this: Would that change if it was a local rental? Because my mentor didn't say anything about a deposit, but he does local, like final mile. So his trucks are just local. Doesn't do that many miles. Or is that across the board if I'm renting?
For the medium duty stuff, it'd be $2,500.
Okay. 2,500 and okay. All right. So
yeah, and that would be refundable too if you end up buying a truck and you don't have a need for rentals anymore. As long as you're paid up on everything and the truck comes back without damage, you would be all set there.
Right. And how soon if I were to come in tomorrow, do the paperwork, how do you take the deposit? Check, debit? How does that work?
Credit card.
Credit card.
Yeah, we'd have to get everything set up before you could use a debit card.
Uh-huh.
I'd have to make sure that your DOT is registered, things like that.
Yeah. All that's fine. So the 2,500 is by credit card only. I couldn't write a check, debit, cash.
You'd be able to do a debit, but it would take, because I have to get your COI approved. I have to run sanctions on you and your company. So it usually takes a few days to get everything going.
But what's the soonest? If I were to come to Summit tomorrow and get the process rolling, is that possible, or how? Like,
yeah, I can even send you over an email right now, and then if you want to, let's take a look here. New email. What's a good email for you? And I can send over the COI requirements.
Oh yeah, sure. Carlos dot Rodriguez 16 at Gmail.
Cool. I will email you over our COI requirements, and then just kind of a recap of kind of what we talked about, kind of the process that we go through, and then yeah, if you wanted to stop in tomorrow, hand over that COI, then we could get you going.
Sounds good. What's your name again?
My name's Patrick.
All right, Patrick. I'll see you soon.
All right, we'll see you. Thanks for calling.